Hey guys, we just wanted to show you today how we do a quick tire flat repair on one of these golf carts. So if you watch any of our previous videos, we're just going to recreate the video we did on the lawn tractor tire repair with a golf cart, because we figure people with flat golf cart tires aren't looking for how to fix a lawn tractor tire, and people with lawn tractor tires aren't looking to fix tires on a golf cart. So we thought we'd do one of each. So if you've seen the other video, this is pretty much going to be the exact same thing, but it's on a golf cart. So we have a different product, same idea. This one's called TiteSeal tire repair. The last one we used was called FixAFlat. I'll put a link to this in the description. Actually, I'll link them both so you can see them both. We're not sure which one's better than the other. This can was about $16, and it's designed to do a full-size car wheel. I guess like a 16 to an 18 inch or something like that. So this being a small golf cart wheel, we probably only use maybe a third of the can, maybe a little bit more. But what you want to do is turn your tube that comes with the can onto your golf cart wheel. This slowly goes flat, guys. This wheel goes flat after about a week of sitting. So it's got a very small leak. You want to drain all the air out of it. So put your valve cap somewhere near the top, above the 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock position, preferably close to the 6 o'clock. And then turn this onto the wheel. And what it'll do is it'll let out all the air. So you want the tire to be pretty much flat when you do this. You see it's getting there. But my batteries don't run out. This phone doesn't have a big charge in it this morning. Alright, you can hear it starting to wind down, so it's getting pretty low. So what you want to do now is fire in, like I said, about a third, maybe to a half of that can. A third's probably enough. So you've connected it and you just depress, and you can see the product going in, and you can actually see the tire filling up. And when you get it to, two-thirds where it looks like it's full or so, and you want to top it up with air pressure. These little tires take about 22 psi, so you don't want to fill them up too high. Check the can, and that's about a half the can, so I think it's probably enough, guys. Turn this off. And now you need somebody to drive this thing around for 10 minutes to mix that product up inside and get it to coat where the leak's coming from. Oh, we got somebody. Okay, so we got the product mixed up in the wheel. We're gonna drive around in circles for another few minutes, and then afterwards we're gonna top it up with some compressed air to the 22 psi pressure, and then probably drive around for another 5 or 10 minutes just to make sure that seals properly, and it should be done. So that's how you use the TiteSeal product as well as the FixAFlat product to repair these sort of flats that you can get on your small equipment golf cart wheels. Hey, hit the subscribe button for more videos on cool stuff, and thanks a lot for watching.